way through the video at this point. We have the truck all sanded the best I can. I mean, there's still some, you can probably still see some shininess to it, but I wasn't able to get every little crack and crevice. So we're going to go ahead and shoot it with the primer. We're going to hit it with the light gray number 1004 MCW primer. We're going to hit it with lacquer, and then we'll put the color to it after we get it sanded up. We've got the tailgate ready to go here, and we have the hood ready to go. I've been debating on if I want to split this paint project into 2 videos or just one, so I guess stay tuned with me and I'll figure it out as I go. I don't want a super long video, but I also don't want to prolong the project and have people lose interest. So my goal is to do the best that I can with my presentation. So it's been washed, been scrubbed with an old like an old toothbrush, a little bit of regular Dawn dish soap. Try to degrease it, which I probably just greased it back up. I'm gonna have to get some gloves on, but we're gonna get the paint booth fired up, get the mask on. Oh, you know, we're gonna also use, I'll show you the spoon test. We're also going to use this for the first time through. Figured that'd be something nice to do, especially since this is a box stocker, so it's not, I mean, initially it's a box stocker, but we're looking to probably try to do something else with it after the build to make it the campsites and quiet places build, because this is the first stage of it. And I think this might be, or could possibly lean towards the way of a diorama, but I'm not making any grand promises to begin with. So we'll get ourselves put together and we'll get right back with it.